let's talk about boredom. Like, other people might have left not because they failed, but because they felt like, I'm here and maybe my peers are somewhere in the office. I'm doing this one thing over and over. Let's talk about the boredom and consistency, like doing one thing throughout, knowing maybe the results that you're thinking in your mind.
Yeah.
How how do you like navigate your mind around that? Because I mean, you here, right? um Lifting assets from asset, maybe failing forward, and sometimes it feels like, I don't know if it ever hits you, but
Yeah.
for me, I would get it sometimes that, hmm, what's going on, and I would have to have that conversation with myself, you
You
know.
know, immediately you have that conversation with yourself, ne?
Mm.
Then you must know you're on the right track. Once you start saying, "Hey, okare ho irahala," like once you start having doubts and maybe dealing with challenges or maybe needing to have a self introspection, ne?
Mhm.
Then that's when you know that no man, this is the right thing. Whatever I'm doing is the right thing. You understand? Uh boredom is very critical. I'd say, but with boredom, it's either you make it or you break it. Wabona?
Mm.
So once boredom kicks in, it's either you're going to allow it to make you o tlo e dumella you ire motho o e seng yena.
Mm.
Wa understand?
Mm.
But whereas if I were dumelle, you are going to stick on and stay true to your calling, if I may put it that way.
Mm.
What you expose yourself with, ne,
Mm.
is very important. What you put, like what you put yourself into, is very important. If you're failing maybe at being consistent at something, maybe end up dropping out, maybe end up failing.
Mm.
I think maybe it's just because you were not you were not focused enough, or maybe you were not determined enough, or maybe you were not goal driven enough.
I hear you.
Yeah, so it's very important